Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ayub Analytics Academy. So today we'll be discussing about how to create a card visuals with the help of DAX formulas. So this is our data set. In this data set, if we go back to the report view, we'll be extracting the information about total sales, total profit and total quantity with the help of DAX formula. So we'll be adding a new measure. So you just need to write the name of the measure which you're representing here. Total sales equals to sum of sales. So close the bracket, enter. After writing this, you can just add a new measure. And again, you can mention as total profit equals to sum of profit. Same thing, again, you have to repeat for the quantity. So you'll be adding a new measure again. So you'll be writing here total quantity equals to sum of quantity here. Close the bracket, enter. So you will be seeing all the three formulas here, bottom. And from here, you can extract the information with the help of card. So you need to select this card, which I have selected, and it is represented here. Now, in this card, if I add total sales, it will show me total sales here. If I click on total profit, it will add total profit. And if I add total quantity, it will show me this. So this is used for showing the values, the overall values in your report or dashboard. So you can add multiple values in one single card. Suppose if you want to add a slicer, for example, I'm adding a slicer here and I'm selecting here region, and you can clearly see if I select east, it will give me a different output. If I select north, it will give me different output. If I select south, it is changing the different output. And if I select west also, it is giving me. If I clear all the selections, it will give me the overall sales, profit and quantity. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please do follow and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.